Exactly. Okay, this is 8th grade science, 7th hour, and we are going to do the chemical equation of calcium hydroxide and phosphoric acid react to form calcium phosphate and water. So I'm going to be doing it on Explain Everything while my friend's doing it on a marker board so I can just write it down with as he's going.
I'm going to be balancing the equation.
Yeah.
So, starting with the letters in the parentheses, that 2 next to the parentheses means you need to distribute it to the letters. Kind of like math. Well, exactly math, pretty much. So that would be CA, parenthesis, or no parenthesis, doesn't need a parenthesis. O2H2 plus H3PO4 yields Ca3. There's another parenthesis, so let's distribute. So it would be Ca3P2O8 plus H2O, otherwise known as water. Now, to balance this equation, you need to first write out all the elements on both sides. I did it in the order of CaOHP, and on this other side I did the same. Now we need to find the number of each atom there is on each side, or element. So there's 1 calcium on the left side, there is 6 oxygen, 5 hydrogen, and 1 phosphorus. On the right side there is 3 Ca, 9 O, 2 H, 2 P. Now, we need to get the same amount of numbers on each side. So to do this, being there is a 1 next to the C and a 3 next, or the Ca on the left is 1, and the Ca on the right is 3, we can multiply the Ca on the left by 3, so that would mean putting a 3 next to the left of this first Ca, and that would mean distribute as well. So it'd be 3 Ca, there'd be 6 oxygen, which in reality would be adding 4, not a 6, to the equation, so that would make 10 oxygen, and there would be 6 hydrogen in that little part, so that'd be adding another 4, so 9. Now, on the other side, we can, sorry, let me think for a minute. What we can do is we can multiply the phosphorus by 2 to balance that, get that balanced. But we have to put the 2 before, or directly after the plus sign. So we'd also be multiplying the hydrogen and the oxygen by 2, as well as the phosphorus. So I'm just going to start with getting the 2 on the phosphorus. The phosphorus is now balanced. We don't need to mess with it unless it gets messed with later because of balancing. Now, there's 6 hydrogen here. In reality, adding 3, so there's 12 hydrogen on the left. On the other side, and there's 8 oxygen here, adding 4. So the oxygen would be 14. I believe. So so now we have phosphorus and calcium balanced. And here, on the right side, we can balance hydrogen by multiplying it on the right by 6, making that 12. And so H12O6. Adding 10 here, that'd be, just kidding, that'd be 12. Oh wait, no, it'd just be 12 in general, yes, because that's the only hydrogen there. And we'd be adding 5 oxygen. And now we are balanced, because here calcium is the same as calcium on the left and right, oxygen is the same on oxygen on the left and right, hydrogen is the same as hydrogen on the left and right, and phosphorus is the same as phosphorus on the left and right. So the balanced equation would be 3CaO6H2 plus 2H6PO8 yields Ca3P2O8 plus 6H2O6. This is the balanced equation.
And that is how you balance calcium hydroxide and phosphoric acid to form calcium phosphate and water. So yeah, this is me and Cole, and we're out.